was a bad one. Angels are singing sweet lullabies as you let me freely go. And I've sinned, oh I sinned with the best of them. Now your son is coming home. Would you forget